Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a lovely, simple card made with the In the Moment stamp set and colored in with the watercolor pencils. There are two collections of these pencils in your annual catalog on page 126. I have both of the collections, but I haven't used them often because until recently I didn't really know how to. But my teammate Diana showed me how, so I wanted to show you as well. In addition to the pencils, I'm going to be using a blender pen. These pens come in a set of 3. They are all double-ended and they have water inside them. I'm going to start by stamping my image in Memento Black ink onto my white cardstock. I'll add my sentiment in Night of Navy ink, the same color as my card base. Now it's time to color. I'm going to start by giving her the same hair color that I have. One of the mistakes I used to make with these pencils is in pressing way too hard, trying to get them to have as intense a color as the ink pads. That is not the point, and will only wear out your pencils too quickly. Instead, just color normally. I'll show you later how to add the shading and intensity. So now that I have added all the colors to all the different areas, I'm going to use my blender pen to blend in each color one at a time. Remember, this pen has water inside. I'll start with her hair and just add some water to blend in the pencil strokes. Look at the difference now. Take a close look at the blanket. That part's coming up next. Look how different the blanket looks now, and compare to the areas such as the dog, cushions, and pants that haven't yet been blended. In between different colors, I'll dab off my blender pen on this scrap paper so that the color gets cleaned off the brush tip.
The water from the blender pen makes the colors a bit more intense, but we can go even further by going over the same areas again with watercolor pencil, adding shading and accents. You can then use the blender pen again too, depending on what effect you are trying to achieve. This stamp set is so perfect for coloring, and of course there are many other tools you could use as well: pastels, markers, blends, embossing, and so much more. Once again, the coloring tools from Stampin' Up! Make me look like a real artist. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'll embellish with some classic matte dots. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share a video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping! Bye!